Welcome to 2739 Joy Road in Occidental in Sonoma County. You know, I've noticed in years of selling country property that the best land doesn't change hands very often. If it's a place of refuge and beauty, people do not want to let it go. And that is definitely the case for this property. It's been in my clients' family's hands for over 40 years. They built the home to take advantage of the acres of sunlit meadow and the towering stillness of the redwood groves and fairy ring. There's a seasonal pond. It is just utterly a beautiful, beautiful place. In fact, I was struck by what my client had to say. When she joined the family, she shared with me her first impressions of this beautiful property. Here's what she had to say.
I distinctly remember the first time I drove up Joy Road and I just fell in love immediately. And then when we got to the property, you get that smell of almost like hay. And there's a sweetness in the air. It was very special to Doug's dad, but for me, it was my happy place.
Thank you for stopping by. My name is Pam Buddha with Corcoran Global Living, and let's take a good look at this beautiful property.